Every single day, the average person scrolls past over 10,000 different brand messages. In that kind of noise, posting generic content to catch everyone's attention usually means catching absolutely no one. There is a massive operational difference between racking up thousands of passive impressions and building an audience that actually trusts you enough to buy what you sell. To turn casual scrollers into paying customers, we can follow a specific 5-step audience conversion blueprint designed to systematically build trust and capture real attention. You don't need a massive production team to execute this. All you need to start is an active social media profile and a free tool to collect emails or host a community. We are going to ignore the pursuit of viral scale entirely. A tight-knit base of 1,000 engaged followers will consistently generate more revenue than 100,000 passive lurkers who never interact. Step 1 begins before you draft a single post. You cannot engage an audience you haven't meticulously defined. We start by drafting a micro-persona. Instead of targeting broad demographic buckets like fitness enthusiasts, you define a highly specific lifestyle, like busy working moms needing 15-minute home workouts. To build this profile, write down the answers to 4 precise questions. Who are they? What specific problems do they face daily? What do they want to achieve? And what kind of content do they already consume? This clarity lets you treat audience trust like a bank account. Every piece of highly relevant educational content you post acts as a deposit. You must make significant deposits before you can safely make a withdrawal, which is your sales pitch. This chart shows exactly how to balance those deposits and withdrawals. It's step 2, the 60-20-20 content framework, which splits your next 5 posts into 3 distinct categories. 60% of your grid is dedicated to educational how-to guides and tutorials. 20% is contrarian content, challenging a popular belief in your niche to spark debate. The final 20% is product content, explaining the why behind what you offer, without resorting to a hard sell. Sticking strictly to this ratio stops you from pitching too early. It creates a systematic cadence that proves your expertise first, gradually transforming a stranger into a receptive, trusting follower. Once your content is live, the actual community management begins. Posting is only the first half of the strategy. Step 3 is establishing a mandatory 60-minute engagement loop. You must stay highly active on the platform immediately following a new post. During this hour, your job is to respond to every single comment, ask genuine questions to prompt discussion, and send simple welcome direct messages to any new followers. This chart shows the tangible impact of that effort. Actively replying to comments and initiating conversations can create up to a 42% lift in overall engagement across your profile. But even with perfect engagement, social media platforms can update their algorithms overnight, potentially dropping your organic reach by 70%. Step 4 protects you from that risk. You must build a bridge to an owned channel, like an email newsletter. Place a dedicated link in your bio to actively direct your audience off the timeline and into your inbox. Social media operates strictly as a rented discovery engine. Routing those users into an environment you actually control is the only reliable way to ensure your business survives long-term. This brings up the most common question creators ask. How do you know exactly when that owned audience is finally ready to buy? Step 5 answers this through a targeted small ask test. You request a simple, non-monetary action from your followers, like asking them to reply to a post with their biggest current challenge. If they respond openly with detailed answers, your trust bank is full. If the response is silence, you aren't ready to sell, and you need to return to creating educational content. You also need to track quantitative metrics that signal high buying intent. Look for a high volume of post saves, inbound direct messages, and email open rates above 30%. Ignoring these indicators and rushing straight to a sales pitch will quickly bankrupt your audience's trust account completely. Waiting for the data to validate your audience's readiness ensures that when you do make an offer, it converts. The complete blueprint gives you a documented micropersona, a mathematical content calendar, a daily automated engagement habit, and a secure funnel protected from algorithm changes. The challenge now is to execute this exact protocol consistently for the next 30 days. Review your analytics at the end of the month, drop the formats that fail, and double down on the ones that work. Every decision should follow the same sequence we've built here. Community and trust must be established before you ever ask for a sale. By prioritizing trust over raw reach, you transition from chasing fleeting attention to managing a predictable business operating independently of any single platform.